There it goes. Okay. Sorry. Now, first thing I need to do is apologize for my short-breathedness. I am just having a heck of a time catching my breath. I was working on the bug today a lot, and it was harder work than I expected. I should have caught my breath by now. So just checking my pulse here, making sure I'm not having a heart attack or something. How's everybody doing? Thanks for being here. Happy Monday. Happy Martin Luther King Day here in the U.S. Celebrating the civil rights and everybody being equal. It's awesome. How's everybody doing? Thanks for being here. I saw Quindor, Vanessa, Christian. How's it going? Mexico, Matt's here. Doctor Who Gaming. That's awesome. Do you have a TARDIS? I always wanted a TARDIS. Who doesn't, right? Who doesn't want a TARDIS? Oh, man. Bug live stream. I thought about it, but let me tell you, Scott, it would have been terribly boring today. It would have been terribly boring. But I did film a lot. And while I was out of town for the weekend, I did some scripting of bug videos. So one sort of overview, and then I'll probably have to break it down into bits. And then I'm going to just take the, like footage that I've been collecting this whole time and start piecing it together. But it's going well. It's going well. So what I had to do today, if you remember, if you saw the Facebook, Instagram thing I did, I don't remember how long ago it was now, a couple months ago. I think it was before Christmas probably, when I got the motor spinning. So that was the first day that I had mounted the motor to the transmission in the car. And it wasn't done at that point. It was just sort of, okay, it fits. Now let's do it right. So today, this was the first time I worked on it since then. Today I took it out of the car, took the motor out of the car. I worked on the coupling a bit. I added some weld to it and sanded it down a bit when it looked like it was going to be out of balance. It's still not perfect, I'm sure, but it should be, within spec, for this project. So I did that, and then I went to put it back in, and I struggled to get it back in, but finally got it back in. And then once I got it back in, I realized that there were bolts that hold the transmission to the frame that need to be in the transmission before you connect the engine. So I thought for a minute, how in the world could I skip this step? Could I just, not do these bolts? But that would have been a dumb thing to do. So I took it out, took it all the way out again, and fastened those mounts and put it all back together. So I laughed at myself a little bit. I shot myself a little bit. That was when it would have probably been nice to have somebody chatting at me saying, "Hey, dummy, don't forget those other bolts." All right, Blade, what is up, my friend? Crazy editor, how's it going? So I've got some things to do. It's been great to see that everybody has been posting pictures of stickers that they got. So that makes me happy. Glad to know that things are getting there. Is the bug going to get RGB underlight treatment? Heck yeah. Gone too long. It's going to get all over LED treatment. In fact, I'm thinking about how am I going to put LEDs like in the air grill for the motor to be the brake lights or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to do some fun stuff. Hey, dummy, what about them bolts? Oh, Andrew, where were you? Where were you a couple hours ago, man? Dang it. I know it's my fault because I wasn't streaming, right? But I'm going to give it a try. I will give it a try. I think the next time I do something, it would be worthwhile to live stream. So what we'll do next, we can do it as a live stream, will be to break apart the battery. So I've got the battery, and I want to open it up and just check it out on the inside. Because I bought it from a company that has been making batteries and selling them probably wholesale to a lot of different other companies for a long time. But I bought one direct from them, and so I'm going to go check it out. My first mail from Utah received today. Thanks, Nicholas. Good. Glad to have it, man. Glad you got it. Officially have my home assistant on Nabu Casa and love it. Oh, good job, Blade. I'm glad you finally took the step. It's the boost it provides to some of the functions that you can get are really good, right? Being able to use your Amazon Echo and your Google Home seamlessly, remote access from anywhere, anytime. It's great. I had a DHL package last week and I got a message about, but think it was delivered to someone else as I wasn't home. Was that from you by any chance? Stickers? No, probably not. That wasn't DHL. Not me, Mexico Matt. Everything was in the everything was in an envelope with an international stamp on it. So if you're out of town, if you're in the U.S., of course, it's just the regular mail. So I want to finally take a massive plunge. Are you guys ready for this? So a good buddy, James, helped me out by splitting up my config file. So he said, hey, let me help you with that. So send me your configuration.yaml, your automations.yaml, scripts, scenes, whatever you use, and I will break it up for you, put it into a folder, a packages folder that you can then pop in, and you'll have, my config file went from 300 lines to from 3,000 lines to 300 lines. So I've had those files. He gave them to me, and I just haven't actually installed them yet. Secrets.yaml, I didn't send him that, but it's safe on the web where it belongs. I count on you guys to help me remember my passwords, that's all. Okay. Was the only thing I could think of. I was expecting, oh yeah, sorry, Mexican man. Still using 360 for presence detection. I am, but I do think that based on the upgrades of the app, that the app would be a good alternative. I haven't looked into it anymore. So I still am using Live 360. Is it Live 360? Yeah, it is. I was getting mixed up with whatever Microsoft calls their thing. Been watching your videos for the last 3 hours. All right. Finally getting into Home Assistant. Just resurrected my old connected board and got it working. Fantastic, Mexico man. That's fantastic. Good work, man. Good work. All right. So let's see what we got to do. I almost caught my breath. You're welcome for the videos. They've been a lot of help with ideas. Cheers from Colombia. You are very welcome, man. You are very welcome. All right. So let's see where we've got these files and what we're going to do. So step number 1 would probably be to shut down. How about the Sonoff camera? It was working fine. It's still working as far as the app, but I'm redoing my Blue Iris from scratch. It kind of crashed, and I probably didn't need to wipe it, after finally getting some answers from Rob. Rob has had the same problem, but I finally, before I got the answer about what to do when it crashed like it did, I had to just wipe and restart. So that's good, because then that means I'm going to be able to do a video about it. So when I do it, I'll do a video about it. Can anyone recommend a UK light switch which has dimming buttons for Paul? Anybody? Anyone? That has dimming buttons. Please show the code for keeping 2 switches in sync. So when you want, okay. I'm trying to think of how I do that. Keeping them in sync. But what you want is the lights to be in sync, right? Okert? All right, Cedron, we're going to do this. Unicorns for you. Thank you for subscribing. Woo! I'm trying to decide to go with Blue Iris or Reolink NVR. Hard choice. It is a hard choice. If you like to tinker, if you want maximum control, go with Blue Iris. If you want it a bit simpler, then I think Reolink is probably going to be a good option. They do RTSP and things. I'm hoping to be able to add, object detection to Blue Iris at some point. I know there's ways. Struggling to get the template switch to work. Anybody help Okert with that? I'm trying to think of what he's trying to do. A global variable. Ooh, man, I think I can tell you this for sure. Whatever solution I have, it's going to be simpler than a template and a global variable. So you have 2 switches and you want them to be in the same state at the same time. So if one goes to on, you want the other to go to on. And if one goes to off, you want the other to go to off. Is that right? Hey, Alex. What I would do, basically a Sonoff Mini and a T1 blue light. Trying to help you. Trying to think about what what you're trying to do. If you just want to match the states, I would make an automation that says when this light, well, let's see, you could do it. The simplest way would just be when it changes state, change the state of the other one. And you don't even have to put the, just toggle. When it changes state, toggle the other one. And then you just make 2 of those. Oh, you want the button on the sewn off blue light to go off when the other one sets it off. I don't know. I'm not sure. Hey, y'all. Caught off guard with this stream. How's it going, Cy? Good to see you, brother. Somebody help Okert see if we can figure out how to turn off that blue light on the sewn off T1. I'm trying to think of what I do. So I think what I would do, honestly, is don't connect the sewn off mini to the actual light. Just connect the T1 to the light. And then when you push a button on the sewn off mini, just have it send a signal to toggle the T1. You're struggling. I am. The bug took me for a ride. Can you see I've got grease on my face and stuff? I didn't even clean up really. I just kind of stumbled up here. I am struggling tonight. I am struggling. No doubt about it. But I didn't want to miss because, I'm going to be working next weekend again. So cut the legs off. Cut the legs off it. Are V2 or V3 of Node MCU preferable? Any advantages or disadvantages? That's a good question for the group, Cedron. I think I usually like the ones that are I think it's the version 3. They're a little smaller and they are, I don't know if that's what determines which of the UART chips they have. So I've got 2 here. Good. Camera's even working today. That's amazing. Thank you for your hard work. Did I find how to control the Sonoff PTZ cam? No, I didn't. I was trying to contact Sonoff about it, but they said, oh, no, my engineer said you're just doing it wrong. So I haven't gone back to play with it. It goes into a loop when I try to make 2 automations, one for the T1 button to fall. Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. That would happen. That would happen. Can you just connect one of them to the lights and the other one can just be a button? Like just a Wi-Fi button that doesn't connect to the lights. And then when you press it, just tell it to change the state of the one that's connected to the lights. Hopefully that would work. The V3, you think the V3 is this big one? Yeah, that is the V3. And this one says, doesn't say. And I do not see a V version on there. But you can see that they have different different UART chips, right? This long skinny one here is the USB serial communicator on this one. And the square one is the one that's on this other one. Sorry about that autofocus. It always defaults back to autofocus, even if I don't want it to. Every time I turn it off. I'm sure there's a way to fix that. Somebody probably told me how to do it once upon a time, but I don't remember anymore. It's a miracle that I'm even standing up right now. So we spent the weekend in Las Vegas. That was cool. It was an anesthesia conference. Oh, I know what the other thing I need is. Go back here and take off the white balance. That's better. All right, now it'll be good for the day. So anyways, I tend to like these smaller ones a little better. I don't know if there's any difference otherwise. So probably not a tremendous difference. Depends where you're trying to fit it. Obviously, this one's a little bigger, or quite a bit bigger. Did I catch the fight? I was like next door or across the street, I guess. We were at the Paris, and I think the fight was at Caesar's Palace. So there was a lot of people there for the fight, but no, I didn't watch it. I was at an anesthesia conference. I went to sleep. Yeah, it's It was so amazingly stimulating, especially because it wasn't even about anesthesia. It's like practice management. It's like, got to make sure that, insurance companies will still pay you because they really don't want to. They're going to try and not pay you. And so it's good times. I'm glad, Cedron. I'm glad. Well, we're here for streaming once a week. I try and do it once a week. I usually do it Sunday. Didn't do it yesterday, but here today. Not sure when I'm going to do it next week because I got to work the weekend. So I'll try and squeeze it in. I don't know. Sunday during the day, at night, maybe on Sunday, maybe sometime on Monday, late. I don't know. It's my money and I want it now. Ooh, is that how you say it in Greek? Means unconscious. Nice. I like that. Anestheotos. I like it. I like how it's spelled in Greek too. I'm going to save that. Can I pin that or something? Put user in timeout. No. All right. You have to email me that, Nicholas, or something, or send it to me in Discord so I've got it. Send you a link for the DIY roller blind project. Wondering if anyone tried that. Ooh, let's check it out. I haven't tried it. Denman, how are you doing? Gone too long. How many pixels do you run off a single node MCU? 500 or 600. 500 or 600 should be the max. You can run more, but what everybody says is you'll start to see probably some stuttering. Maybe the frames per second will have to slow down a bit. So 500 or 600 per node MCU. The most that I'm running on one. Well, I was running 350 on one of them. Actually, my mega tree is on one. It's 800, but that was temporary. I'll do it better next time. Sorry to re-ask, but Motion Eye and Home Assistant camera on overview. There you go. Hey, Mark's here. Thank you, Deadman, for answering there. You send me that link. Let's check it out. Let us check it out. Oh, the motorized IKEA. Oh yeah, I've seen that one. I've watched that one. I want those. I want those stairs. So this is the one Denman's talking about. Oops, should be over here. This is what he's talking about. You guys have probably seen this. I don't remember if we've shown it on the stream before or not, but I know we have. Hey, Reno, how's it going? I know I've looked at it. Thanks for subscribing. Woo! Yeah, I've looked at this before. It looks good. It looks good. I don't have those kinds of blinds. Actually, though, ZemiSmart sent me a blackout shade that is Zigbee. So I'm going to check it out. But this one, I need to do. We really need to do this. DIY stair lighting. You know, this one where you kind of, is it like you walk on it and mute it. That looks so awesome. And then doesn't he have it so that when you step on it, it does stuff? Oh, you can. Isn't that awesome? I got to do this. Hard part's going to be hiding everything. He's got like this backside. I'm sure he had to drill some holes. Tetris mode. Awesome. I want it like Billie Jean, you know, like Michael Jackson. You walk down the stairs. Anyways, one of these days, someday. All right, what's everybody talking about? All right, Seamus is here too. I'm inching closer to my first major smart garden project this spring. Stay tuned. Nice. Anyone know how to turn a servo 90 degrees with HASSIO? Who's been running motors with HASSIO? ESP Home. I think I used a servo. Yeah, I'd used a servo in the blinds project, and I did it with ESP Home. So I would do that ESP Home. Oh, you guys want that big link, don't you? Of course you do. I just want to copy it and paste it. So ESP Home has a component for servos, and I got it to work. So if I can get it to work, anybody can get it to work. Frank suggested Odroid and 2 of our RPi 4 for hummuses, so really thinking about it. But I also have 6 cameras I want to integrate. Should I be thinking about something with much more juice? You know what? I don't know what an Odroid N2 can handle. But I definitely would say if you're going to put 6 cameras with like Motion Eye, You know, the Pi 4 is supposed to be better, but I can tell you on my Pi 3, even on my Nook, it struggled. My Nook i3, it struggled. So when you're doing image processing with something like Motion Eye, Blue Iris, you need some horsepower. You really do, like an i7. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Some of you guys can tell me if it's better. Oh, man, my back is killing me. Oh, it's going to be a sore day tomorrow. Just add your first addressable LED to Home Assistant via ESP Home. Fantastic. Fantastic, Caro. I'm happy, man. And a GPU if you have it. Yeah. I probably should have done something with a GPU. Hey, how's it going, Phil? We haven't been at it too long. Not too long at all. So what I was going to do is break things up to packages. Does anybody use packages? Who uses packages? Who uses packages? Thanks for the stickers. You're amazing. Thank you. Zwrs. Has anybody ever pronounced it like that before? Just got home from work. Oh, well, welcome, Phil. Welcome. All right. I think that somewhere I already had the things that James sent me, but let's find them again. So James, good man that he is, broke up my config, and I made sure not to make any changes since I sent him the file. Home Assistant config.zip. Here we go. Be interesting to see. All right, let's put this in the top secret folder. There's probably already one there. Oh, not yet. All right. Then we'll open it up. We're going to extract it. We'll add another folder here. Can I do that? Can I say like our package? Package config. Oh, that's funny. Why did that change the Mac OS? Huh. Anyways. All right. How's it going? I was thinking probably a separate system for camera processing with Shinobi or Blue Iris, and then Odroid for Pi for Home. Yeah, Thanos, that'll work. That's what I do. I think if you're really going to have a lot of cameras and you want to do image processing, you need a beast of a machine. And you could run your Home Assistant on that beast as well, but you can't do it with a Pi or something small, unfortunately. All right. Hey. Yeah, too late for Dutch viewers. I'm sorry, Denvin, but thanks for being here, man. Thanks for being here. Yeehaw. Yeah. We're awesome? No, you're awesome. He is awesome. You have a Dell server that didn't like Blue Iris. I told Frank about it. He messaged me yesterday and said, "Hey, are you going to stream today?" And I was driving home from Vegas and said, "No, I'm sorry, I'm not going to make it, but I'm going to try tomorrow." And I said, "I got a surprise. We're going to do, we're going to change the config. I got it all shrunk down." Of course, he laughed at me. Oops, I just gave everybody that. That's fine. I do that all the time. So I'm assuming, let me run through what I think is going to be. I know Frank's going to have to buy a 3D printer. That's what I told him. You better start shopping. Better start looking for a good deal. So here's my thinking with this. All right, hey, Tech Turtle's here. I'm gonna take those files that James made for me, put them where they belong, move my old files off of Home Assistant while it's running. That's my thinking. So that then I can validate them. Oh, you know what I should do? I'm a dummy. Don't be a dummy, right? So I've got a test environment, right? But then there's probably going to be some IP address problems. No, I better not. Because there will be some IP address problems if I do that. Bought an Ender 3 Pro and like it so much that I bought a second one. Nice, Violent Pooh. Hey, man, how's it going? Make a clone? Could do that. Can someone show me the right direction for ESP home code for a Sonoff Mini? Take a Proxmox snapshot. Then there's no worries. All right. Walk me through it. Let's do that. I'm not sure if this is a good idea. I'm so tired. Where is my Proxmox? Yeah, I know. I know it's unsafe. I know. I can't remember the password. Anybody remember the password? Yay, I did it. I have a snapshot for Home Assistant every morning. Goes up to Google Drive, so it's safe. It's fine. Never thought I'd like watching a big bald dude stream live while in bed, yet here I am. Great nightcap stream. Thanks, Milobi. Just do it. I'll show that. You're right. How's my day, Alexander? Fantastic. Hope we don't say to the other doctors, hey, I know this is unsafe, but sometimes you have to walk the line. Sometimes you got to say, hey, if it's 99.9% that it's going to work, then you go with it. All right, click Proxmox. And then, what are we going to do? Able to install Tasmatizer on Ubuntu. Good question. I don't know. Home Assistant died today. Thanks to your Google, it's saved. All right, click on my machine, which must be this one. What bug? Ooh, man, I've been doing a double click. Oh, then here. Gotcha. Snapshot. You are here. Did I already do one? Or is it still running? Yeah, that's true. If I don't try, I won't learn. Tasmatizer works on Ubuntu. Fantastic. Thank you, family. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, Kyler, my bug, my electric bug. I'm electrifying a 1970 VW bug, and it's awesome. But it kicked my butt today. I had to pull the engine out twice. No, you're good. Click take snapshot. Okay. Take snapshot. Name. Packages. Okay. VW bug. I thought it was a Proxmox bug. Oh, no, sorry. Trying to follow steps, but I was not able to. What are you trying to do, Liveheart? Were you asking about the Mini with ESP Home? Installed. Oh, you were trying to install Tasmatizer. Look at that title. It says Node Red. Ideas. That was Mark. That was Mark helping me out and getting some WLED stuff. In a few seconds, be all set. Nothing can go wrong. All right, Mark. That sounds fantastic to me. I love that. I love that idea. Nothing can go wrong. Oh, man. Mrs. Z's is gone, but I am going to need a massage. Oh. She'll be back later. Anyone have any luck with running Tesmota on a Feet electric dimmer from Costco? Can't tell you, John. Anybody? Have you taken it apart? Have you opened it up to see, make sure it's an ESP8266? It should be, but there are other chips. Could be. Uh-oh. Can't create new thin volume, free space in thin pooled data reached threshold. Uh-oh. And then my Home Assistant just crash-o-lod. What do you think about that, Mark? Maybe I should have stopped the other one first. Huh? Or was it still going? Hi, baby. So everybody's here and ready?
Not here.
They're ready?
Ready at their houses.
Okay. Said Mom's taking you?
Yeah.
Okay, she's probably not too far off. Do you want to, what do you want to do?
Try calling me.
You want to try from my phone? Here you go. Good luck. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. So now my things are back on, at least. Home Assistant's back up. All right, Mark, what do you think? What happened here, my friend? Kill the HASSIO. Mark M. Node Red snapshots. Okay. So we got to remove. So I watched your interview with the Boscoyo podcast. Oh, cool. Is it up? Oh, good. I didn't know it was up. Hey, grab us a link, Tech Turtle. That was a good time. Those guys are fun. Tom Catter on Discord, still playing with the idea of the Google Calendar. Didn't get too far with it. Oh, it's good. It works. Okay. I'm going to delete this. Done. And this one too, huh? Remove. Yes. No? Uh-oh. Now take a snapshot? I know it could be easier to get you on here, Mark, if you want to just walk me through. But this part will be done in a minute, right? Take a snapshot. Tried since the other day, and I thought I had it working. What is it you're trying to get working? Yeah. Now you could kill any other machines that you don't use. Okay. Any of these other ones over here? I don't use any of these. I need to redo 2U convert or at least pop it up. Okay, done. There we go. So now we got a packages snapshot, right? Can't post a link. Oh, all right. Send it in Discord then, and I'll grab it from there. Don't do Google stuff. Examples for Amazon Echo. Okay. All right. How far away do they live, baby? You want to golf cart it? They're too far for that?
Yeah. So we're taking one friend, picking up one friend and taking her to another friend's house. And
Okay.
because she can drive, she
Okay.
was all the way in where Gooch Pass is.
Oh, okay.
And so she lives all the way over there, and then she's gonna drive us there. So and I don't think she.
She's probably either her phone is dead, which it shouldn't be. She's got a new one. She's in the store and she's not getting good reception. What type of bug are we fixing all day? Patrick, hey, how's it going? We are fixing, that was an actual Volkswagen bug. That was what I was working on all day. That's why I was late. Should free up a bunch of space. Click on one or more and remove. Okay. Remove. Oh no, don't do that. Clone, console, template, suspend, shut down. Summary, firewall, snapshots, take snapshot, mission, firewall, replicate back. What am I missing? Where am I missing? Remove. There it is. Remove. Please enter the ID to confirm. 105. But I'm not really, I'm probably not running too much out of space, am I, Mark? Now that that one did its thing. More. We can get rid of this. I haven't used any of these in months. If we need them, we can put them back. We'll get rid of 2U convert 2 because it's needs to be updated anyways. Okay, should look good. Let's move on. All right, moving on. So now I've got a backup, right? Got a snapshot here, so nothing can go wrong. So we can go back to Home Assistant, and I should be able to. Battery's low. Okay, that's fine. Should be able to now start monkeying with these files. Should be, is not too much to it, just moving things in and out. All right. Gonna open up a new folder here. You like when I sing? Secret plans. Why isn't it opening? There we go. Open. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna probably open like 3 of them. Yes, of course. Windows, I love you. You're so right. Seriously, you're 100% safe to play. Oh, good. Here's the wife. Hold on. Hey. Yeah, it was just Zoe. Her friends are ready, so she's just anxious for you to get home. Okay. I am. Yeah. That's okay. Okay. Love you. Bye. All right. all taken care of. Okay, here we go. Here are my secret plans, right? And then what was the name of that folder? Package config. Okay, and then here's my configuration and my scenes and my packages. So what I want to do is rename these. These are my originals. We're not even going to move them. Just going to rename them. That's a good wife. She is a great wife. Man, oh man. Old. Okay. Now we're going to rename this one. Oh, dummy. That's not where I want to be. Ah, I'm renaming the wrong ones. That's what happens when you got old man brains. Which I'm not even old, but I was watching this. So one of my, just put .old at the end. Here, this is what I want to do. Rename. So yeah, so one of the things that they told me at my little conference that I went to for anesthesia was that doctors age better than the population. Like if you plot like their cognitive scores as they get older, they do better than general population, but they still do badly, right? They just keep getting worse. So I'm expecting to keep getting worse. And they said that burnout plus normal aging makes your cognitive decline speed up. And basically, they told me that by about 60, you should probably not be doing medicine anymore. Not if you're in mission critical stuff, which I am. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. There we go. So now we can just move these guys over. Move this configuration over. Move the scenes over. Okay, now in my packages, all I got to do is drop this stuff in here for packages. Okay. What am I trying to do, Sven? I'm breaking up my configuration file. So I have finally took the plunge. Remember to like. That's right, Sean. Thank you. Everybody remember to like. Remember to like, share with your friends. So now in Home Assistant here, in my Home Assistant folder, I've got all these files in packages, and I've got my new configuration.yaml file, and the only other one that I really had anything in was scenes, so those are new. And we're going to just go here, and we're going to check it out. We're going to just see, is it going to pass snuff? If it does, oh, it is not happy. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. That didn't take very long. All right, well, let's start poking through them. Bathrooms.yaml. I wonder how far we're going to get. That's the first one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. What does it say the error is? It says line 2, column 7. Line 2. Oh, it's out of whack. That's all. It's out of whack. See that? Now it's in whack. Is that a thing? Saying it's in whack? Okay. Let's try that now. Oh. Okay. Garage, line 22. Column 7. Probably the same thing. It's probably just some... Oh, we got through climate and family, so that's good. Passed the test on those, unless it's doing it alphabetically or something. What? Garage. Open with code. There we go. No, I don't want to update. And the error was line 22. Yep, same thing. Same thing, just this. And maybe that's it. This is the fun. Garage 22. Uh-oh. Packages, garage, line 22, column 7, line 23, column 7. You guys see what's wrong? Wrong folder? Maybe we should check your secrets for errors. That's a good idea. You're welcome, Mark R, for the stickers. Wrong folder. Oh, did I go to the wrong folder? Oh, I did. I did. Thank you. Thank you. Let's close that folder. Let's close that one so we don't do that again. Bye. Thanks, guys. So glad you're here. Let's keep this over here. Now we're going to go to Garage and open with Cloud. Show us the secrets. Secrets. Like everybody's chanting for stickers. Instead, they're chanting for passwords. Passwords. All right, next one. Okay, we're going to do it in lights now. Going down to lights. We got past HASP demo. And line 4, column 1. She's around. Ooh, line 4. Is he pretty bad off?
Oh, yeah, he's using his ski poles and he's like...
How's his leg look? How does it look?
It's in a boot. I can't see it. Jackson's helping me.
Oh, man. I'll probably have to go help him. Zachary was skiing, and he twisted his ankle pretty bad.
He said someone ran into him.
Is that what happened?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Dirty rats. Lights.yaml. Column 1. What do you guys see? It's lights, not light. Still says that's wrong. Are you sure about that? Anyways, let's go down and check number 408. That's good. That's a great answer. Are you sure about that? Nope. What is happening here? Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah? Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Zach got hurt, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man, that's a bummer.
He was going really fast.
Don't need lights at all? That might be it, Thanos. Come here, buddy. Love you. Glad you're home. You guys had fun. Okay. On your bum? Oh my gosh. The boys are back from skiing. Don't put lights. It'll be fine. It's already in the configuration.yaml. Okay. Lights is implied because of the include. Okay. So I think what I'm seeing here as wrong is we've got alias in the wrong place. Looks like these are all fine, but I'm guessing that everything after this needs to move over. Right? Unfortunately, that's all there is. But yeah, that all needs to move over to the right. So we can do, is that right? Or is it just this one? Nope, it's just this one. It's just this one. Yep, it's not even that one. It's just this one. Right there. Okay, control / Oh, nope, that's the wrong one. Control bracket. Yeah, that's the one. Oh, everything else, once you move the lights part from the top, it'll all need to move, do you think? That's fine. I can do that if that's what's going to fix it. Okay. Cool. Got it. Excellent. Now we're on what? Oh, lights 178, column 1. Isn't this exciting? Like, who's just totally thrilled about this besides me? I am totally thrilled. Ooh, input Boolean. So what's going to happen? And there's automations here. So do I need to not put input Boolean? Control G, then enter the line number if you want to jump. Oh, cool. Thanks, Mark. Middle click, drag down, then just hit backspace. Oh, I'm having hunger pains. What am I going to do with this thing? If I delete that thing, it should only be lights. It needs to be its own file. Yeah. Do I have an input booleans file? I do not. Okay. So let's take that out. And let's start a new file. Paste that in. Let's save it as. Make sure we're in packages. And then we're going to call it input boolean. Oh, should it be here? Should it be here? That okay? What a wonderful language. Not. Does everyone love YAML? Oof. If it's in packages, it shouldn't be included in lines. Okay. So now, my guess is I'm going to need to take this thing out, right? Since I called it input boolean. Add the include to the config. Yep, let's do that. Configuration. Okay, so I need it. I need to put. That's weird. Do I already have an input boolean here? Guess not. Okay. I don't have any other input booleans. That's wrong. That seems wrong. It's only in 2 places. Okay. So it needs to be input boolean and then include. Right. So input boolean. Like that. And then include. Like that. And then input boolean dot YAML. See? What do you guys think? That look good? You can do a folder input boolean. Oh, okay. Now too late. This will work. Don't put includes in packages. Including the whole package folder. That's true. You should be including the whole package folder. But anyways, whatever, it's there now. Yeah, what I just did would make it so that it would need to be in this folder, right? In this area here. You ever tried to get a hallway light with 2 motion sensors and a timeout? Oh man. The doc is in the house. Good day, y'all. Hey, Boz, how's it going? All right, I'm a little lost with where we're at now. This is probably going to give me the same error. Did I not save it? Yep, I did not save it. Let's see what it says now. 181, because now it's automations, right? Oh, Will. Hold on. Replying about. Sorry. Work. All right. There is potential for this not to work. If you had a bunch more, then folders may be a better choice. We tried a hallway. Okay. Yeah. Back to this and make it include. But I have an automations.yaml. So see, that shouldn't be. It might be because it's a lights. Like there should be an automations.yaml. I mean, it's could be in there. It's not there. I'm a little bit confused, but it's here. But he didn't change it. Think you need to put light back? Oh man, this is going badly. Trying to decide what I've changed, and is it worth continuing this experiment? Or should I put it back? Let Frank save up a little longer for his 3D printer. Yeah, I've got the working config is still there. This is how you crashed your config today? I don't think, because I should be able, the deal with packages, right? When you're using packages, the whole point is you can go into packages and you can do something. You can look at like Garage, and you can have like the binary sensors that are in there be in there, and the automations that are in there are in there. So I think it should say light, but I think the problem might be that this is called lights.yaml, and maybe we need to call it something else. Because lights.yaml is already taken. That's the problem. I think that's the problem. So I'm going to put things back. This is what we're going to do. We're going to take this and we're going to cut it out. We're going to go back here. We're going to put it back in. Right here. Okay. Then we're going to go back up here and we're going to say light, which I think it should be, not lights, right? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the name of this. I'm going to save it. And then save this one. And then I'm going to close them. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to rename them. First, I'm going to delete this input boolean.yaml. Yes, I want to delete it. And then I'm going to change this lights.yaml to something else. We're going to call it, it looks like it's LED lights. I don't know if it is or not, but we're going to change the name. Okay. So I hit Control S. I didn't need to. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we got past it. Why use packages, Richard? Good question. Who is having packages in folders would be better? Remove automations, lights, Boolean, etc., and run with packages. Yeah, probably. Instead of doing both. All right, let's go to security and probably fix an indentation. Oh, is there a security.yaml? Yeah, there is. That's why. So we just need to change the name of it. Right. So we need to change the name. In fact, all I'm going to do is just go right here and change the name and say just like that. And then let's see if that'll work. Okay. Oh, nope. Still found a problem. Okay, that's fine. Maybe there is a problem there. Okay. I don't need that anymore. Let's see what it says. Where does it say the problem is? Problem says 4, column 1. So connected. Oh, it needs a dash. All right. It looks like it needs a dash. Why is there only more? There's ID there, ID there. Oh, they're not lined up. 229. Let's look at that one. This is just the most thrilling stream you've ever watched in your life, I bet. Yeah, it's just spacing. Okay, we're going all the way out. We're going out 1. Okay. And then let's see. Can you set up ESP8266 LED app for morning tasks? Heck yeah. Sure, why not? Why not? Off to bed. See you, Quindor. Thanks for showing up, buddy. Have a good night. Rest well and all that. Oh, it was back here, this initial one. So I guess the problem, I think the problem might be that, let's see. Are they the same? Yeah, those are the same. Okay. Oh, that one's not the same. No, that's not the same. Right? Oh, no, it is. It is the same. Okay. It is great watching. Seeing someone else possibly crash. It's not the most exciting, but actually see someone troubleshoot is a help. Okay, good. This is kind of what Frank does, although he just does it right the first time. Shouldn't be spelled with a C, vice, gay. No, I wish, Mark. This is connected. That's the component. So it is. That is the right name. Let's save this. I'm wondering. Oh, it passed it. All right, it passed it. Now it's down to WLED. We're getting close, man. Getting close to the bottom. So that's funny. I didn't do anything. I wonder why it fixed it. We're not going to complain. We're just going to be happy. 469, column 11. Somebody told me how to get there fast, and now I don't remember, so we're just going to go down here. Just going to scrolling. Always use a C, just like Mark. Yeah, spell it right. Spell it right. I already crashed mine last night, so might as well watch someone else. All right. Okay, it's going to be here and probably something right there in the spacing. Let's see. It said 469 and 470. Right there. And right there. So this probably just needs to be, these need to probably just be one level back. Yeah, data template topic or service needs to be one level over. No. So this one looks right down here. It's not giving me grief on that one, right? 181. Nope, it's not giving me grief down here. So why is it giving me grief up here? Let's see. That looks right. That's right. So data template, topic payload. Anybody see it? Those are two. Tried to tell him already. Listen to Mark K. It will save you. All right. Good night. Should probably be asleep. It's 1 o'clock. All right. See you, Sven. Control G. Then type the line number. All right. Thank you. You moved to the last section in and fixed it. Oh, is that what I did? Okay. Good. Oh, I didn't remember doing that. I moved that one. Maybe that did fix it. All right. Why is this giving me grief? 469, column 11. Oh, out here somewhere. Right? What's the problem here, fellas? I'm just looking at this action down here. That topic has to be to the left a little more. Okay. I'm wondering why the one below it isn't giving me grief, right? Because wouldn't that be the same for this one? Because data here, see data template, topic payload, data template, topic payload, data template, topic payload, and then service is over there. So service should be fine. Oh man. I don't think so. Well, we can save it, run it, see what happens. 468 now. Time 9. I hear kids. I hear kids really mad about something. Sorry, I'm trying to listen to what the kids are screaming about. Service needs to move back on 468. Okay. Oh, service needs to be out here. 471. Is that right? I don't know if that's right or not. Doesn't help that my brain is mostly fried. Like fried chicken. Poor Zoe. I think Zoe is really having a hard day. What does column 9 mean? That's the spaces over from the left. I don't understand. Yeah, no, that's not it. Because it's the same as this one. Move service into. It's teenage girls and moms. I don't understand what the problem is here. Maybe what I'll do is just move this up here. Let's try that. Try to comment out that automation. Yeah, let's see, what is it? Let's just try and comment this one out completely. Now it's having the same problem down here. Yeah, right here. Okay. Can't just leave these undone. I'm gonna fix them too. So it's all of these. It doesn't like something I'm doing. Both are wrong. Yeah, they're all wrong. Comment out the other as well. See if it compiles. It's gonna be. I mean, I can tell you it's gonna be this. It's not an issue with the quotation marks. Automation. It's weird because I thought it was working. So whatever it is we have to fix it in all of them. It's the same problem in all of them. So let's do this. We're going to look at the documents. Oh, I know. Holy cow. You mean what? Look at the documents. I know. We're going to do automations, action, and we're going to just look at what the format is here sometimes. Okay. Action service. We need templates. Action templates. Action service. Maybe we don't need the dash. Maybe that's what it is. Let's try that. So we're going to go service and then data template and then indent one for what goes inside the data template. Okay. So we're going to go to the left. And we're going to just take out the dash. So action service data template. Let's try that. Try installing indent rainbow VS Code extension. Ooh, I didn't know that was a thing. Did not know that was a thing. 470, 471. What's the freaking problem here? Expected block end found scalar. YAML is the devil. Why did they decide to use it? I don't know. I am too suspicious of the double single tick marks. But let's try that. You think it needs to be, you think this needs a tick mark? We can try that. Let's just save that and try it. Nope. I mean, look. No, it's at level 9. Move data template to the right. Got it. Oh, didn't got it. Column 22. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Move service above the template. Oh, I did. Translate. Why would it say this? Mapping values are not allowed here. Oh, config. No, now it's in the configuration.yaml. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah, 22. Okay. Remove the quotes. Same problem. Payload has a single quotes inside. Single quotes. So what should we have? Doubles on the outside? Nope. Nope. That didn't do it. What the heck? Ah, man. Well, I hate to take all this out. Data template. So it's going to be, would be all these, right? I might just have to just take it out for now so we can move on. Okay. 507. Here we are again with the data topic stuff. What the frick? Try service back and double quotes. Oh man, this is killing me. It's odd that these automations aren't working because they were working. So why would they have a problem now? I can tell you that if the screaming I hear out there continues, well, maybe I'll just have to take this one out too. But if the screaming I hear out there continues, I am going to have to cut things short and go rescue somebody. But wait, I thought everyone loved YAML. This is so weird that this is like this. So odd. So very, very odd. Order dictate. Yeah, that's because I don't have the... Yeah. Hey, you see that? You got past it. We got past it. Yep, we got past it. So, big quotes outside. So, let's try that up here. Didn't we try that already? Oh, it might be different with that other one. But anyways, we'll leave this one. Let's try this one. Save. So clear now. Single quote in single quote. That was the problem, huh? So it's past that one again. So you can't do a single quote in a single quote. You can't double stamp a triple stamp. That was the whole problem the whole time. Everybody knows that from day one, elementary school. Can't triple stamp, double stamp. Let's try this one too, because we may be back in the biz. Okay, we got past it. Oh, nope. Okay, but this was because I changed that one, so let's change it back to the way it was. Yeah, because service is lined up with data template, so we need to move these over. Now, it should be good. Yep. Yay, we're past. Bum, bum, bum. We're past it. We are so past it. Now let's move on from this to the input Boolean YAML. And that's probably because I told it to go to an input Boolean YAML that I didn't actually need, right? So let's find input Boolean, and we'll take it out. We're just going to take this line out. And I bet that fixes it. Isn't it fun when it works though? Like you struggle, but when you get it, then you're like, heck yeah, I'm awesome. Okay, good. We're almost done. Invalid slug LED lights. Try LED lights for dictionary value data packages. Oh, because I capitalized the name of the file. Yep, it's the only file with capital letters in it. Check again. No caps. That's right. Oh boy, I think it's going to work this time. What do you think? Who's voting for it working? Dun, dun, dun. So for everybody who's tuning in and going, what the heck has just happened? James Peterson took my big, long configuration.yaml file, broke it up into a bunch of smaller files for packaging. Oh, son of a gun. That is not going to work. Where is it? Where is this problem? That's the problem. Invalid config for automations. Expected a string for dictionary value at trigger from got none. Trigger got none. Invalid config for automation string dictionary. Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah, it worked. Boo, it failed. One step forward, two steps back. Man, that's an ugly one. And does anybody want to take a guess about where the problem might be there? Because there's nothing, like I don't know what to fix there. Is it because I have automations.yaml here still? Let's just try renaming this. Because I think he took everything from automations.yaml and put it in a package folder or package file. So I think that might be it. Got to cut and run. See you, Tony. Thanks for being here. Something just crashed outside the door. You have both? Well, yeah. Okay. Before data template. Golly, man. Invalid config for automation. Accepted a string dictionary value at trigger from. I don't know where to even start looking for that. Because it's not telling me which file it's in or where the lines are. I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to track that down. So Griffith says 0 implies the first item in the array. Try file. You have an automation defined with no trigger. Okay. Golly, how am I going to find that? But I wish I knew which file it was in. Is it in my configuration? Nope. It's not there. What is in... How in the world am I going to find it? Is this... Could it be... Golly. I don't even know where to start looking, guys. Without a file here, it looks like your automations were all written in different style and different versions. Try to make an automation in Home Assistant and copy the style. I think that's it. Go to the previous file that you changed. Oh boy. Triggers should have a 2 for state. No, you don't have to, Nicholas. You can just have trigger just be state, and then it changes, then it triggers anytime there's a change in the state. It doesn't matter what the state is that it goes to. So I know that one's not it. Should include the package folder, not individual YAML files. Well, let's look at the config. I would expect that that's what he did. So we included the whole, everything in the folder that is in the packages folder, right? Is that what you were saying? Probably don't need that anymore. No. Their message seems to state it was looking for a 2 and got none. Could you remove files from the folder and then re-add one by one? Holy crap. I think it's time to roll back. I feel like giving up. That way HASSIO is not looking to its default YAML files. Should include package folder, not. That way it's not looking for these folders in here. Not all files, just automations to see if it's in there. So if we go to packages, I don't think there is an automations file because in each of these files is an automations section, right? Just wish it would tell me which freaking file it's in. Data trigger 0 from. It's on all of them. C line, question blank, question. Son of a gun. Who wrote their YAML like that? Did you try to rename your automations file? I did. Troy says, you still need automations.yaml even if it's empty. Okay. It's not empty though. It's going to end up with like. I'm starting to miss my big YAML files. What am I gaining with all this? I don't think I'm gaining anything. It should be empty. All the default YAML files should be Okay, don't use old. Okay. So it says deleted. Is it because it's, yeah, there it is, automations, okay. Automations 2. Where's this one now, though? Oh, it's there. Okay. It's there. So now we have an automations YAML that's blank. What do you think? You can use disabled. HASSIO will ignore those. Okay. You gain eventual sanity when it works for debugging. But honestly, Node-RED is the way to go. Home system for collecting and updating states. Node-RED for state automations. Yeah, probably true. I cannot argue with that, Griffith. Son of a... That didn't work. Didn't work. I don't know what to do, fellas. What do you say? Anyone? Ideas? Before I just roll back and call it good for the night? GitHub, Frank, Home Assistant, config, blob, master config, YAML. When in doubt, look at Frank. What does he have? Does the log contain more information? Like right here, there's no more information. You want something in the logs? Listen down here. Just those same ones we had. All that stuff we were dealing with. So it's giving me the same files. It don't seem to be the right state of mind to work on this tonight. I think, you know what, Kelvin? I agree. And I'm going to roll back. Mark, are you still here? How do I roll back the Proxmox? Get rid of all the conditions and get rid of a lot of errors. Is that right, Devil? Load the full log at the bottom. Really? Hey, Odo. Take the automation file and copy another location and check again. I think the automations file has too many errors in it. The automations file is empty now. Mark, yep. Okay, good. Let's just roll back, Mark. I'm going to cry uncle on this one. It was a good effort, and obviously we need to do make some changes. We need to fix some things. So let's roll back. I'm ready to roll back. I'm ready to roll back, ready to have some dinner, ready to go hug my baby who's been crying. She didn't give something. So, but I had fun. Did you have fun? I had so much fun. All right. Click the latest and click roll back. Click the latest. Where is it? Here? Oh, right here. To packages and hit roll back? What do you mean by the latest? I'll wait. HASSIO recovered mostly. Have a couple Tasmona bulbs misbehaving. Frank is safe for now. He'll be happy in the morning. I'll send him a message so when he wakes up, you just tell him, you got a little longer to save up for a 3D printer. Is this what I want to click, Mark? Click, okay. Roll back. Okay. Done. Now, I assume things should be different if I'm going to look. Oh, yep, there goes Home Assistant. It's just kind of turned the lights off again. I must have a retained message somewhere that's jacked up. But we should be back. Okay. And if we go to packages, nothing's there that wasn't there before. Looking forward to Undertake number 2. Thank you, Thanos. Thank you guys for sticking with me and giving it a try, and I appreciate all the work, everybody helping. New to your channel, but I have an unrelated question. You bet, bring it. Where am I most active? Twitter, Instagram? You know what, Tim? I am most active in Discord. Somebody give him the link. If you want to get a hold of me, Discord's the best way to do it. So I should do better at posting on Instagram. I made a little clip today. That's one of my things to work on. But yeah, Discord is the way to go. And we've got a really good community in there. Thank you, Seamus. We got a really good community in there that is very helpful. So when I'm not around, plenty of people are, and there's people in there that know way more than me that can figure stuff out and help out and stuff. So, but I'm in there for a good chat. You can always message me. I'm down. Can't always answer as fast as I'd like, but I'm good. Question about the tubular roller shade motors. The ones I used, they were pretty good. They worked pretty good. Oh, man. All right. Let's do new but highly addicted to home automation. Well, that's good. Tim, you are in the right place. This is where addicted home automation people hang out. Right, fellas? We don't, what is it? We don't like help each other quit, we enable each other. This is the Home Automation Addict Enablers Club. Right? Close all my Video Studio Code windows. You didn't save anything. Okay. I think I did. Yep, it's closed. Thank you, Mark. That's a good reminder. Yep, I did. All right. Hey, Paul's around. How's it going, Paul? I haven't seen you in forever, brother. How you been? After some searching, I found one reference for one of the same errors in your issue. In this case, it was related to a typo he made in the entity ID. Oh, gosh. That would stink. DrZzs Jr. What's that, Mark? What is that? DrZzs Jr.? Midnight here. Time to sleep. See you later, Tommy. Have a good night, man. What did you miss, John? You missed a lot of stuff about me trying to monkey with my configuration. I went into my configuration and I tried to do I tried to break it up into packages, and I had some help. James was a good man, and he helped. Oops. No, I want to be server controls. And I just want to check my config here. He helped a lot and broke things up for me, but we just kept running into errors. And so after too long, I can't remember how long I've been at it, I gave up. Just ran into an error that I couldn't sort out. Yeah, that's okay, Paul. Thanks for trying. I mean, I wouldn't even know where to look like that. Thank you. Okay, good. It's back. Thank you, Mark, for that. How to do that on Discord now. I clicked copy from in Discord. No idea. That's interesting. Let's click on it. DrZzs Jr.? Huh. It's just me. It's just us. It's just Discord. That's weird. Mucho weirdo. Anywho's, okay. Well, that was fun. Let's do a sticker giveaway, shall we? Let us do the thing with the sticker thing. Sticker things. I will tell you, so you can know what to expect in the coming weeks, okay? Love your shows. Thank you. Thank you, Bart. Always watching everything you create. Thank you. I'm the man. Home is quite automated at the moment. Good. Struggling with Zigbee to MQTT. The device losing connections. Is Decons better? I use Decons. I'm gonna try out Zigbee to MQTT. I've got the hardware for it, so I'm gonna give it a try. Can't stay long tonight. Dinner time. See you, Paul. Thanks for being here. Thanks for looking that up. Thanks for giving it a try. We'll do it. We'll do it again. All right. Vanessa says, let's do the stickers. This dude has just been yapping. Can't take anymore. Just a yappa, yappa, yappa. There it is. That's what I want. Okay, we're going to create a new giveaway. And today, stickers. I don't even know what the date is. What is it, 18? Probably. Something like that. 19, 20? I don't even know. Did I miss all the stream? You did, Theron, you did. I'm sorry, buddy. But we'll do it again soon. All right, stickers is open, fellas. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. 20, 19. What are we counting down for? Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Mark. I'm glad to see Paul. Nice. You got the stickers free? Thank you very much. Hopefully everybody got stickers. That was part of the whole... Everybody that was part of the big giveaway we did that one day before Thanksgiving, and then everybody since. Oh, the 20th. It's the 20th. Oh, thank you. That's what you meant. Why is there nothing showing up here? You guys see that? Is then it's not giving you messages over there that say you're entered? Okay. I think it might be. Let's end this. Let's end it. And let's go back. We're going to log out. That was weird. Should have shown up. Stop this. Go away. We're going to log out. And we're going to log back in with YouTube. And okay. Giveaways, giveaways. Redo. All right, try it again. Still not working? What the heck? Crud, guys. Giveaway's not working. The crap. $120. Twitch, Mixer, YouTube, Discord. Try it again. It's the last time. If it doesn't work, I'll just have to do something else. Thanks, Rich. That's the truth. Config error. We broke it. How did this break? How did we break this? Son of a gun. There must be a problem with this thing's link to everything else. What a freaking dud, man. What a dud. What a dud. Yeah, see, look at it. It's like it's not showing chat activity. I wonder if the bot's not enabled in my chat somehow. Dang it. All right. Well, I'll have to troubleshoot. Sorry, fellas. We want stickers. We want stickers. I'm going to make some new stickers too, but I still have like 900 of the other ones, so I'm going to have to do something else. No stickers today, Vanessa. Boo. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. Do it old school. Randomly pick someone in chat. All right. Let's see if we can do, what's another way? I think I can do it some other way. What is in here? Not customs. What is, custom commands. Let's try Nightbot. Maybe we can do it in Nightbot. The problem with Nightbot is it doesn't do Twitch, but that's probably okay because there's only one person watching from Twitch. So whoever is watching from Twitch, switch over to this. Tom Catter, switch over to, oh, there's a couple. Dang. I think that's the problem. Well, what we can do maybe is try it here. So let's see. This one, I haven't used this one in forever. Oh, man, this sucks. Hit the like button, subscribe, and be notified for more videos. Thank you, Mark. 3Atives here, too. How's it going? We want stickers. Rock, paper, scissors. All right, let's do this. Let's make it something fun like trivia. Let's make it something fun like trivia. Okay. What would be a good trivia? Oh, I got it. Here it goes. You lose. Sticker time. Yeah, this is not, we're not going to even do this. I will give the stickers to the first person who can guess my birthday and year. What do you think? We'll make it a little trivia. Michigan sports, go blue. Sorry, there's not going to be any stickers, James. I don't know what went wrong with that. Monday. Nope, it wasn't Monday. Come on. Calendar doesn't go back that far. Yuck. 5 to 72 close. Nope. 69. Nope. 75 close. Nope. Okay, good. Well, that makes me happy. That means you guys haven't been paying attention to my passwords. Oh, man. Send some stickers to Pinky Weaver. She recently posted some great videos and helped newbies. Awesome. Answers to life universes and everything. 42. The answer's always 42. December 10th. Nope. All right, so that was an unfair question. Let's see if then, let's try this. Okay, you stop guessing my birthday. If anybody does get it, then I will award the stickers, but you guys aren't getting it. It doesn't look like. All right, let's do this. I will give the stickers to the first person who can tell me what my favorite thing at CES was. Remember I did at the end of one video, I was like, I don't even know what my favorite thing was. I'll put it right there on the video. Do you guys remember that? What was it? First one to do that wins the stickers. You don't have to name it specifically, just kind of say what it was. If you don't remember the name of it. Nope, not the door. Nope, not sleeping. The mirror door. Nope, the camera. Nope. The haptic suit. Nope. Nope. Mirror. Nope. Then not the toilet. The camera. Nope. The kitchen sensor. John, you win. John wins. John Curran, you win, buddy. Good job. Good job. All right, we'll do one more. Good job, John. You win. The next one is what is the year of my bug? Who remembers the year of my bug? I've said it a few times. I even said it in the stream here today. So what is the year of my bug that I'm turning into a electric car? 78? Nope. 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 Electric draftsman. 70s. Obscurity. Security got it. Wait, right? Who was first? Stone Obscurity. 1970. Good job, buddy. Good job. You win. All right. Thank you, guys. That was fun. Sorry that the sticker thing didn't work, but we'll get it worked out. So, Stone Obscurity. And who was the other one? Who was the other person that won? I already forgot. John Curran. Okay. Put your numbers in 1932. If I do this, does that do it? I think what happened is everything just message me, fellas. Message me in Discord. I haven't been keeping, well, I probably do have your, if you've won before, then I have your address. Just message me in Discord and then we can work out the addresses or whatever. So let's call the kids up. I don't know if this is going to work or not. It's working. Time for sign off. When I was in high school, I had like a 56. The body was like 56, the little oval windows. And it was somebody made it into a Baja, which is a bit of a shame, but they did. It was funner than Random Chooser. Maybe we'll start doing stuff like that. That's fun. Hi, babies. What are you licking? A lemon? Let me lick it. Oh, no. What are you doing that for? Oh, that's okay. Well, who was next then, Stone Obscurity, if you want? Thank you. I think everybody's won at this point, so don't worry about it. If you're happy, if you want more stickers, we can still do it. All right. So how are we gonna do it, kiddies? We haven't done the planes. We first have to do the planes because we haven't even done that today, and I love the planes. Hello. Whee! I love that song. I say the planes, but it's just that one. How's it going, little guys? Stone Obscurity. It's too hard for me to pick again. Okay. Hello. Can you get in?
Sure.
What did it say? Did it say Holly?
Sure.
Hi. Say hi, everybody. I thought it said Holly. Anyways, but we got these two guys here. Do you want to let them pick?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you know what we did though? We already gave away the stickers. I did trivia because my little thing wasn't working. So, but if you guys want to push the drum roll, you want to push the drum roll just for the sake of pushing it. Why don't you push that button right there, and then it'll put a big thing up on the screen. Watch. Look. That cool, huh? Colton, you want to do one?
Yeah.
Let's do. You can do this one. This Where Squirrel one here. Push that one. Yeah. All right. Is he gonna pop up there? Just push him once. There he goes. Rawr, rawr, rawr.
Lemon.
Okay.
Lemon.
All right. Let's do sign off. How should we do it?
Baby.
Oh, hey, happy Chinese New Year, everybody. We didn't even get to talk about Chinese New Year's, but hey, happy Chinese New Year's. I'm going to do my best to celebrate it. Oh, we did talk about it. Oh, no, that was with some other
You
friends.
should do it like a dog.
Do it like a dog? Okay,
a
we'll do it like
dog's on your
Scooby-Doo.
head.
Ready? Like Scooby-Doo. Ready?
A dog's on your head.
As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, adios.
Okay. All right, everybody. Thanks for being here, and have a great Tuesday tomorrow, and we'll